Hello and welcome to another Elliott analysis. Now, today I want to focus on Bitcoin, right? So over here we start with the Bitcoin, the super big picture, right? And over here you see that I have labeled this as cycle one, right? Cycle wave one that is until the 7th of November 2021, right? And then the wave two, right, which is on the November of 2022. Right. So if you have seen my previous analysis on Bitcoin, right, I always start here, right, and then yeah, I will talk about the wave counts all the way to how it has unfolded, right. So now I've labeled them for this cycle level, right, cycle one, cycle two, right, and then until the January of 2025, right, this is actually the cycle three, right, and then since then, right, from 20th of Jan until this 7th of April, right, then this will be the cycle wave 4. Okay, so before I go ahead, right, just take note that my previous Bitcoin has always been short and they have been wrong call, right? So I've updated the wave count also, right, because I have a short bias previous times. Right. So all these wrong calls for Bitcoin short, right, also tells me that I'm very wrong, right, and that I should revisit my wave counts, right, and so this then becomes the positive wave counts, right. So then over here last time because I did not touch on this big cycle, right? So that's why I always start from here to here. It has completed a five wave, so I expected like maybe a 535 or something like this or a triple combination, right? Which is why I always have a short bias, right? Now that I have labeled this entire move down as a wave four, right? As you can see here is a A B C X A B C, so that it forms a W X Y. Okay, so then this becomes a completion by itself, right? And then if we look at this move up, let me go down to the hourly. Right, I've also labeled this move up here. Right, so if you look at this will then becomes a leading diagonal. Right, this move here will become a leading diagonal. So this then becomes our wave one. Right, this whole move 1 2 3 4 5 is wave one. Right, and then this long period of consolidation. Right, this one which is from the 13th of April until this 20th of April, right? This part will then becomes like a sorry. I think the way I label this is that from 13th of April until 16th of April, this one becomes a wave two, right? And then we have a wave one that is basically a like from here. This is a 1 degree lower, right? From here, which is 16th of April until the 19th of April, right? This 3 day move becomes a wave one of 1 degree lower, then an ABC wave two, and then 1 2 3 4 5 wave three, and currently we are actually in a wave four, right? So if I label this, right, just so that you know we are more consistent with um, how we do this, so it's like this one becomes a wave one, right? And then we have another one which is a wave two, and then this one becomes part of a three, right? So we are at a uh, fourth of wave three. Okay, so this one becomes a wave four of three, right? Then let me just label everything. So then this one becomes a wave one of three, right? And then we have wave two of three. Then we have a wave three of three. Okay. wave 4 of 3, and then we should be going for a wave 5 of 3. Okay, so I labeled these over here, right? This point as just to take note that I did make a wrong call here, the last where I last call for short, right? So this will actually be this call on the 21st of April, right, where there's a breakdown and I call for a short, right? So this is a wrong call, right? So I just want to be very transparent about this. Okay, so we have seen this that we are expecting a wave 5 of 3. Okay, wave 5 of 3, and then we look at the big picture again, right? Cycle 4, where will this cycle level 5 be, right? So as it is right now, this is a 1 2, we are going to a 3 4 and 5, right? I believe this wave 1 itself is still small, right? So this entire move here could be just a primary wave 1, and then a primary wave 2, primary wave 3. So the actual target for um, Bitcoin could actually be very, very high. Okay, so let's say that we have these around 69,000 as wave 1, right? And then this entire move here, right, will definitely be more than 69,000, right? So let's assume the wave 3 has extended, right? Then wave 5 itself should at least be, let's take this as a bottom, right? And if we take this plus 69,000, right, it will actually be about 143,000, right? It will actually be around 143,000. So then this one becomes like our target for wave 5. So yeah, so Bitcoin itself, I in the very long term, I do expect that it will reach this 110,000 here and move to 143,000. So that's it for Bitcoin, right? So I'll just leave this big picture count over here for you, right? And if you are interested into the lower count, you can rewind this video and pause it at the lower count place, right? So that's it for now, and thank you. Good luck in your trading.